Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today we're going to look at the perimeter fencing around the vegetable plot and how to build it. The first thing is to just protect against the animals causing damage to the crops. So I've gone through a 60mm pole, which is 1.2 meters, with a 90 cm chicken wire, and we'll show you how to level the ground, get the post put in nice and level, and then make it all nice and taut. So the first thing we want to do is replace all the fencing around the edge of the allotment. We do get a lot of wildlife around here, so deer, rabbits, badgers. So it's a good chance. Always start with the edges first and then work your way inwards. And this is what we've got. Small fence, tiny in places, not doing a hell of a lot. So this is all coming out. So we've got our string line all rigged up nice and level, and we've centered the posts so they're nice and even, and now we'll go and bang them in. And I've made a stick with a little marking, so I know the sort of height I need to get it to, and that'll just mean the fence is nice and even all the way around. Just make sure she's nice and level, and then finish off. It's always a good idea to brace your corners, so that means put uprights in so it takes the tension onto the chicken wire. We've got our fence all up now, and it's just a case of finishing it off nicely. So the top's all zip tied in and halfway down. We want to take a stick and force it tight to the ground and then backfill with dirt, and we'll do this all the way along, and then we'll top the fence off with a nice wire that stretches from one end to another, and then tighten it up just to make it the top nice and taut. And if you do want that extra security, you could try putting in a baseboard that goes all along the fence, and then this will just shore up the fence. And this is what we're going to do all the way around the fence. So these are raspberry canes, they've just gone in, and they'll go all the way around. As always guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this, there's loads of different guides on the channel that covers everything for your allotment.